Hey, till now I am sure you have understood TRAC, think, reflect, act and change. But you're also telling me, Kavita, this process is very simple but it's very difficult to apply. My clients also gives me the same feedback. So let's understand the reason behind this challenge. But before that, let me bring a small change right now. बैकग्राउंड तो चेंज हो गया, अब रियलिटी चेंज करनी है. वी ऑल थिंक दैट वी हैव टू मेक अ चेंज इन आवर लाइफ, लेकिन हम ये चेंज करें कैसे? तो सबसे पहले अगर ज़िंदगी में कुछ चेंज लाना है तो सोचिए कि मुझे चेंज लाना कहाँ पर है, मेरी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है कहाँ पर. क्या मेरी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम प्रोफेशनल है या मेरी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम पर्सनल है, मेरे रिलेशनशिप्स में है या मेरी ग्रोथ में है, मेरे एकेडमिक्स में है या मेरी फाइनेंशियल ग्रोथ में है. सो फर्स्ट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव क्लैरिटी. yes friends, change begins with clarity. So first understand that where the change is needed in your life. Have clarity, and once you have clarity, the second step is courage. yes, अब आपको दिखानी है हिम्मत. क्या मैं हिम्मत कर सकती हूँ अपनी ज़िंदगी में इस चेंज को लाने के लिए? Can I dare myself? Do you have that courage to dare yourself? Number 3 is sacrifice. अरे आप सोच रहे हैं सेक्रीफाइस की क्या ज़रूरत है? आपने सुना होगा कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, ऐसा ही कुछ ये सेक्रीफाइस है. अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ में कुछ चाहिए तो आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी में जो सबसे प्यारा है शायद उसको सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ेगा. सो आर यू रेडी टू डू दैट? You will go through many types of sacrifices. Number 1, your time. yes friends, do you have time to bring in this change in your life? Are you really willing to sacrifice your time to get this change? If yes, change is yours. Number 2, are you willing to spend some money on that? Because sometimes you do not know few things and you have to gather knowledge for that. And to gather knowledge, you may have to enroll yourself for some courses. Of course, those are available on your laptop. But yes, you may have to sacrifice some money to bring in that change and seek that knowledge. Number 3 is your comforts. आपने सुना होगा कि वेट तो कम करना है. आपने डाइटिशियन को भी एनरोल कर लिया, आपने जिम में भी 1 साल का पूरा प्रोग्राम एनरोल कर लिया. बट विद इन अ वीक्स टाइम और 10 days मैक्सिमम you forget or you become very lazy. Why? Because you don't want to sacrifice your comforts. You don't want to sacrifice your sleep. So friends, there are many changes which will require this sacrifice. Another type of sacrifice is to let go of your fears. For example, if you want to become a public speaker या आपको स्टेज पर जाना है, then definitely you are fearful, you are trembling from inside. So what you have to do is let go of this fear and face the audience, isn't it? So it's not only this kind of fear, there are many other fears. You know, fears of that I am not good, fear of that will I be able to do it, or fear of people, or fear of rejection. There are many fears. So be ready to let go all your fears. And next is the most important one, which will definitely heal your relationship, and that is sacrifice your ego. yes friends, this sacrifice is very important to make your relationships happy and healthy. So if you really want to bring in change in your relationship, learn to be humble and respect everyone and sacrifice your ego. I am your life coach, Kavita Hans.